The 77-cent support level for Nexo USD in a real sense is areas of strength for truly, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo USD exchanges close 67 cents in a genuinely huge manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo fundamentally is floating at $2,423,355, which basically shows that Nexo USD exchanges close 67 cents in a very huge manner. Nexo essentially acquired roughly 0.34% inside the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these often fundamentally clarified pressing issues. What especially is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Nexo? Explicitly is Nexo a wise speculation in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking? Nexo support and obstruction levels and so on, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Nexo specialized examination, truly let us by and large discussion about the fundamentally current economic situations, or so they in a real sense thought. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There truly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,140,802,649,559, showing how the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Nexo cost investigation for now or for extremely 1 week from now and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually for the most part gotten clarification on something. What for the most part is truly transient cost expectation for Nexo. Sort of is Nexo a genuinely wise venture, which especially is genuinely huge. The by and large complete exchanging volume truly remains at $19,987,677,932 or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they in a real sense thought, which fundamentally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%. Or so they basically thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, showing how yet prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the Nexo specialized examination, really let us for the most part discuss the kind of current economic situations in a quite enormous manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span in a genuinely enormous manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 3.45 and at present exchanging at 54 cents, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,149,802,649,559, showing how the 4th of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time really got clarification on some pressing issues. What basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Nexo, generally is Nexo a very wise venture, or so they generally thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. These occasions demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a truly descending course for sort of present moment, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, a kind of broad for the most part bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized markers used to distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, in every practical sense. Further appearance how 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo all things considered is drifting at $2,423,355, which generally shows the Nexo USD exchanges close 67 cents in a really significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers really become sort of more commonly dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination, essentially let us in a real sense discuss the very current economic situations, which is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors essentially become move pretty dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how support truly is a level at which purchasers certainly become genuinely something else in every practical sense, dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging profound into the Nexo specialized examination, most certainly allowed us truly to discuss the extremely current economic situations, or so they really thought. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The truly current Nexo cost fundamentally is 67 cents, with an exchanging volume of $2,423,355 in the beyond 24 hours. In every practical sense, further appearance how the 77 cents support level for Nexo USD generally is actually areas of strength for certainly a truly significant way. As of now, Nexo explicitly is up by 0.34% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $373,040,675 USD, which basically shows that Nexo USD exchange is close 67 cents incredibly. Nexo value examination. Nexo cost investigation for the 4th of June 2023 inside a very day-to-day time period by and large made sense of beneath. Truly further appearance how yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us basically to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which truly is very huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving sort of normal union into similarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every way that really matters, straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving truly normal to dissect the future development of the Nexo in an unpretentious manner by and large. The Nexo essentially has in every practical sense break all its sort of supports levels, and things for the most part are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, exhibiting that we utilize truly relative strength index, moving pretty normal combination and different backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely basic moving commonly normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to in every practical sense. Examine the future development of the Nexo in a significant manner. Right now, in every practical sense, bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively in every practical sense take Nexo cost beneath the urgent help level of 82 cents, showing how the 77 cents support level for Nexo USD especially is actually areas of strength for commonly an exceptionally large way. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44 and is attempting to sort of break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing that Nexo for the most part acquired roughly 0.34% inside the especially most recent 24 hours in a sort of enormous manner, while Nexo's Williams percent